Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be making pancakes. This might be a bit random, but it's trending, and people are getting millions of views from it, so I thought why not? So I searched up on Google for one of the best ways to make the fluffiest pancakes, and this is what I found. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so today we're going to be making that. So I've got 4 ounces of flour. It has to be plain flour though, because it won't work with any other flour. And then we've got 2 eggs, which I'm just going to crack now. And then we're going to have to whisk them. And then we've got So then we've got all them things. Put this in the bin. Put this in the bin. And then we've got our whole milk. We need to do 10 fluid ounces of whole milk, so full fat. So additionally, I would go over and get something like this. And you get, so this top is 8 fluid ounces, so I need to fill it once and then twice, and then pour that in, and then if we try and find maybe like 2 there, so pour that in as well. Right, so then once we've done that, we add some baking powder. So what we have to do with baking powder, we'll have to do like a teaspoon. So if we get something like this, this will be so this is so this will be half. So we need to do 2 of these. No. Right. So we've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So we put that in, and we're doing 1 more. Oh yeah. So that's the baking powder done, and then we need to put some vanilla essence in. I'm just gonna open this. So we need to put a teaspoon in this, only a teaspoon because it's quite strong. So just there. So it's like honey, technically, but it tastes like honey. So then what you have to do is you have to mix it in with like a whisk or something, or whatever you want to mix it in with. And then once it's all mixed in, just try and get a pan ready with some oil in, and put like a teaspoon of oil in, so not much oil, and then we go and put it into the pan. Right, so I forgot to put the egg in, so we put the egg in here, and we just keep mixing, until all of the egg is like you can't see it, it's all like whisked in, and you start to get this like really kind of rich powder kind of thing, and that means it's done. So just keep mixing it for like another 30 seconds, just to be on the good side to see if it actually works. And then it's ready for the pan. So we're back now with the mixture is complete, and we're going to be doing 3 fluid ounces of pancake mixture into a cup or jar, and we pour it in, and then we get the the pan ready, so go to 9, and then put some oil in, just a little bit, and once you got all the oil into the pan, you just pop the pancake in the middle. Oh yeah. And then we leave that for like a minute or so for it to start like bubbling. So it's so you start when it starts going like lumpy, like a bacon, for example. So then once you've done that, you will put some. Just get some like a few handful, like a handful like that, and then just sprinkle the raisins on. So this is optional. You don't have to have raisins. You could have anything. You could have like chocolate or marshmallows or something like that. I don't know why you put marshmallow there, but so when that sides are done, we'll just so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and just tell me if you want any more cooking videos. Please like and subscribe. Oh my word. So let's wait for a little bit longer for it to work. So while we're waiting, let's do another one. So that's the marker. So that's 3 food ounces again. So this one's ready for the next one. So let's just check on the pancakes again. Okay, so this is tiny little bit more. If we start to smell it to burn a bit, just turn it over quickly. Right, I can smell it, and the smell is starting to burn, so ready? Oh. So, didn't really turn out very well, but at least I tried. So, then what we'll do is wait for this to do it again, and then I'll put it on the plate, and then if you want to, you can put it in the oven there, and you can use it to like keep it warm. So now we're going to do it again because I didn't think the last one was as good as I wanted it to be. So we put a little bit of oil in, and then we wait for it to cook a little bit more. So it's like around in the pan. I'm just going to take a little bit of this out because it's just a bit like that. So then we put the mixture in. I'll just wait for a little bit longer. So we'll just pour it in like really slowly. Oh yeah. So as you can see, the mixture is like making its foam, so it's forming into the pan. So that's a good sign. Yeah. So let's wait for this to cook for a little bit longer. So last time I think I put it on too high, a little bit too high, and then it just didn't go well. So then remember to put some more raisins on or whatever you wanted that was on, and just sprinkle it around, and that should be fine. So yeah. So let's just wait. Just keep waiting. As you can see, like the pancake's not sticking, so that's good. We have got quite a lot of mixture. This serves 5 to 6 people. So if you didn't realise, so this is like 5 to 6 people because it does 6 servings. And so yeah, so if you want the mixtures again, there it is. So it's there. This is everything. So yeah, I hope you got that. Make sure to pause the video if you didn't. Right, so now this pancake looks like it's a little bit done. Oh yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it went everywhere, but it still did it. So that looks really perfect. That does, that brown bit. So if you could make your pancake look like that, that's really good. That's a good sign, because that means that you've done it perfectly right. So at the moment we've got the other one in the oven, and I'll just put this away. So yeah, like I was saying, these are like sultanas, but like the raisins, and you can use anything really. You can use you could use banana, but you can't put that in actually in the pancake. You have to do it after. So yeah, so that's done. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you once we've finished. So this is our finishing design. It looks really nice. There is some of them that I really even better, and yeah. So if they look like that, then that's really good. So what I'm gonna do, just because this is what I normally do. So I got this maple syrup here, and I just try and sprinkle it all on top, like this. There we are. That's good. And then that'll be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please tell me if you want some more cooking videos, and stay tuned.